Hello and welcome. This explained that and this is how to remove text from video in your Capcut. So first we're going to have two different options or approach for this. So we're going to do is remove the watermark itself from the hypo hitpo into the video itself. So just import it in there with the watermark and make sure that the area that you're hitting on is the watermark that you want to remove on. So after that, just wait for it to export it. Of course, it wouldn't be free for um within the contents. So you got to pay it or do like this one. So you just gotta export it with the logo itself and then combine the two clips into the CapCut, merging it from half and half by doing the mask options. So just like that one, the explain that is now removed from that specific video. So you just got to import it from the CapCut now and then combine the other two to make it as one. And just export it and that should be it.